Hello, my name is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. In this screencast, I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business, Mow Lawn Care. Now, the first question is usually on lines of why you should do this. Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most homeowners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation that they have hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I found by giving people an easy attack plan of things that they can do to help to impact their business for free has resulted in those owners still raising their hands and saying, I like it, Sergio, can you please do this for me? So by the end of the video, you liked what you heard. You can see skills that help your business grow and land more customers. Shoot me a message back, we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it out yourself, that works for me too. Now before you try to do it yourself, let me show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I like to go over is your content. So in order for your business to be fully optimized Google, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words for the keywords. Now I find your site has about 270 words currently. In comparison to your competitor, I'll be going over Ryan's Lawn Care. Now, this is their Kansas City landing page. If we go to their homepage, you can see that their site is pretty dense, but they only have about 400 words for the keyword-rich content. Now, this is still very beatable, but this shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. Every month, people are searching for a certain keyword a number of times, which you miss out on not being number one. But as you can see in this tool, I use Ahrefs. We have what your site is ranking for in organic keywords. Now you have pretty good keywords and their volume is pretty good, but you're only in the 6th position. That's why you're only driving about 5 people out of the 90 people per month searching Mow Lawn Care. Now it should be way higher. The reason it's not higher is because you're not in the 1st position. So the position is ranking from 1 to 100. Traffic is how much traffic is being brought to your site using these keywords, and volume is what traffic comes out of. So this is a search per month for this keyword, Mow Lawn Care. So you're missing people because you're not in the 1st position. So in comparison to Ryan's Lawn Care, you see I have him pull up his organic words. He's ranking for Ryan Lawn and Tree, Mold Poison, Ryan Lawn, Ryan's Lawn Care. Now he's in the 1st position for all of these, and he's bringing in a substantial amount of traffic because he's in the 1st position. And his KD is only 2, so Ryan's Lawn and Tree is only ranked 2 because not many people use this keyword. Now Ryan's Lawn, that's more. Its reason it's higher is because more people use Ryan Lawn in their content. So if we were to look for a keyword that you'd use, would probably be common weeds in Kansas. Now, somewhere in your content, you're gonna want to put this whole keyword inside of it, and then make a backlink that has this whole keyword also in the backlink, and that's how you rank in SEO. Now, he's in the 1st position because it's a 0 KD. He probably has this in his content at least like once or twice, and backlinked like twice, maybe even once. But this is bringing him 35 people out of the 100 because he's using this keyword. So for the next optimization section I'd like to go over is Google Map Pack or Maps. So for some good news, you're actually in the 1st position for Lawn Care Kansas City. Now to stay in your position, of course, you want your ratings. You want to keep getting those, but you're probably asking, hey, how do I even get in the 1st place? So you did it. I can tell you that much. But we go to this tool called WhiteSpark, and inside of WhiteSpark there's Local Citation Finder. So I already did a search for citations you have, and you have about 21 citation sources. Now not all of which will be listed down here because some of those are not credible for Google to list as a citation. So you're probably asking, hey, how do I get these citations? Well, maps. So inside the Google Map Pack, of course, you have your name of the business, the address of where your business is, and your phone number. So naps. So you enter these naps into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area to where you can submit a citation. So the third thing I'd like to talk to you about is your backlinks or link juice, which this is what gives your site authority. So you can see why I did a search for Lawn Care Kansas City. Yes, you are in the 1st of the map pack. But that's not bringing you the most clients you could be getting. Of course, it's good. But you see LawnStar has the first position. Ryan'sLawn.com is second, and LawnLove.com is the third, and Benjamin Lawn fourth, and then so on, so on, so on. But they're all on the first page. Now, this is where you want to be, and to get there, you need to be at the competition in every aspect. So this link juice, some people, it works like this. Site A is pointing at site B, therefore site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. So almost like a popularity contest. But there's more than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. So for example, if you were to have Kansas City blog or local linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you because you don't sling pizza for a living. Now we're going to pull up Ahrefs again. If you're looking to use this tool, I pay about $100 a month, and it's great for checking out any link juice that sites may have to offer. And here you can see you have about 211 backlinks with 91 referring domains. But you have about 207 backlinks registering to your website. This is all linking back to you. Now this is a little bit of link juice. So let's go check out your competitors. So they have about 14,300 backlinks. Now, looking down throughout his backlinks, you can see what's all pointing back to his site. And the cool thing about this site is you can take every single one and make them your own. Yep, that easy. You just gotta take every single one and you will have the same 14,000 he will have. So once again, the three things I went over is content, citations, and link juice. So for your content, you want at least 1,500 words to your homepage so it can be registered for Google as a credible site. And for your citations, you want to keep getting those citations listed throughout Facebook, Yelp, Bing, and so on, even the ones you don't have yet. Now, this tool I pay about $12 a month, and it's great for checking out other sites where they are linking to as well. But you want at least 200 or 300 of these to stay in the top position so no one else doing some marketing will come up behind you. And the last thing I talked about was your link juice, your backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google your authority. So whether that means taking every single one of these, making your own, or going to find your own, that's what you need to do to be number one across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, my name is Sergio, and my number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Have a great one.